Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP36 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3, 2 visible game or application as Mobile Legends games. We need more than page 3. To change it, we must tap there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it from page 3 to page 16, confirm by got it and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends game again. And it is working right now and we can do it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.